Proud Filipinos. Philippines. This is our country, the land of our brave heroes. The country that has tried to invade several times, but no one has overcome us. Philippines is the country where we build a gym together, and the reason why our ancestors died to fight for our independence. The country, the Filipino, who are living peacefully but abused by the terrorists. But now, we are part of the history because we successfully defend our country several times. Yes, we are Filipinos, but not just the Filipinos. We have our own personal identities. Being short and flat nose are what we get from our ancestors. Kaymangi is the color of our skin, and the blood that flows in our veins is the proof that we are Filipino. Not just personal identities, we have our own characteristics. We are hospitable, helpful, industrious, optimistic, creative, honest, polite, talented, and we can smile despite of many problems. We are hospitable. We welcome our visitors with warmest approach. We are helpful because we spend almost of our time in helping others. We are hard-working people and industrious. One example of that is the rice terraces in Banawe. They could upload that mountain using only their hands. But that's not the only reason why we make people industrious. The other example is our parents. They work hard and sometimes they do not have time to sleep. So on the next day of their job, they do not have energy to work. But one amazing thing is that they can still work because of their inspiration. They work hard just for us. We are the reason why our families are still not giving up. Let us clap for our parents. The other characteristics of Filipino is being creative. Because as we know, we Filipinos are facing issues on poverty, but still we can live in a meaningful life. On the other hand, Filipinos are said to be honest because even if how poor we are, we can still bring honor to our country. Just like the taxi driver who returned the big amount of money that is left on his car. Filipinos are also polite because just like before, we are using po and opo as a sign of respect to the one who is older than you, and kissing our lolo and lola's hand. We are talented, and it is proven by many Filipinos like Charis Rempenco and Lea Salonga, who are now an international artists. Our country, our origin, our blood, and our characteristics are the proof that we are Filipino. So let the world see what we can do.